Still seeing clear green, especially for the Nasdaq, which is up 152 points. Kenny Polcari with us. Kenny, I want to start with gold prices. New highs. What does that tell you about the economy? Is it a warning signal?
So listen, you can take it a bunch of ways. Yes, I actually think that's more of a safety trade warning signal. People are worried about where the economy is going, what the Fed's going to do, especially now there's this government shutdown. There's a lot of uncertainty. Stocks are trading at all-time highs. There's stretched valuations. We've been talking about it. We've had no consolidation at all. And so I'm in the camp that I think this move in gold is really a push for safety. People looking to actually have gold that they want to hold on to, because in the end, it is the ultimate safety trade.
But I'm wondering, why are central banks around the world buying gold? Because they started this uptrend in prices. They're buying all over the place.
Right. So they're buying it, right? They're trying to increase their reserves in a challenge, what I think is going to be this challenge to the U.S. dollar. While I don't think it's going to happen, I do think that, look, and where are you seeing it coming from? You're seeing it in China's buying gold. You're seeing India buying gold. I mean, you're seeing it all over. But really, China and India have been the two biggest buyers, I think, of late. That are buying gold. And so I think there's a direct challenge there. But in the end, I think this last kind of blow off here that we're seeing is much more of a reaction to people just feeling like they want more safety, and they feel safety in gold, whether it's gold you wear or gold that you own.
Would you buy any now?
Would I buy gold up here? I wouldn't buy gold up here. You might buy a chain around your neck, but I'm not going to buy physical gold up here at 4,000. We own some. I have it, so I'm participating, but I'm not buying it up here, no.
Next time, don't wear a white shirt with a white background, because all I can see is your hands and your face.
It's a light blue shirt. I know. It's a light blue shirt. I hear you. I'm looking at myself there. I kind of fade. If you didn't see the the slate so behind me, you wouldn't even know I'm here.
Good job you've got a beard on, too. Kenny, you, sir, are all right. We'll see you again real soon.